Hi, Bridge to Math 1 students. It's Miss Arbor. I just wanted to check in, see how everybody was. I made a lot of phone calls this weekend. I was able to talk to a lot of you guys, left a lot of messages. Just wanted to check in and see how things were going. I know the first week was a little rough. That first lesson was hard. A lot of you that tried this week with a volume of cones and cylinders did so much better. So keep it up. This week is going to be a little different because we're doing 2 lessons, but they're pretty short. They're both still on geometry. It's number 8G1, which is about translations, reflections, rotations, taking shapes on the coordinate grid and moving them around. And 8G2, which is about looking at figures being congruent, the same size and shape. So I think you guys are going to do really well on these because you seem to do really well on the geometry one. So you do have 2 lessons this week, but you have until Monday night to do them. So you have a little bit of extra time. Also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be out of town this week. Tomorrow is my birthday, so my husband and I are going to Costa Rica for a week. Yay! Very excited. So if I don't get back to your emails or messages right away, that's why. I think I'm going to have Wi-Fi at the hotel, but I'm not sure how often I'll be able to access it. So I just wanted to give you a heads up that I will answer your messages, just trying to be patient. And if it turns out I don't have good access and I can't respond and we need to be flexible on the due date, that is totally fine. I understand that too. Just get in, play around with it, try the lessons, try the practice problems. There's always games embedded in the lesson. Practice those. Just remember that the post-test can only be done one time. You can do the lesson as many times as you want. The pre-test doesn't count towards your grade, but the post-test is the one that does. So once you finish your lesson as many times as it takes, and you really feel like you're ready to do the post-test, you only get one time. So just make sure you're really ready for it when you do that. Any questions you guys have, email me, message me. This is going to get better. I know it's a hard process in the beginning, but you guys are great. I'm looking forward to still working with you. And when I come back in a week, I'll be making some phone calls again, just trying to get in touch with everybody and touch base. I know it's probably the worst thing ever to have to talk to your teacher on the phone, but I just like being in the loop and hearing what's going on with you guys. So that being said, have a great week. I'll think about you guys while it's 90 degrees on the beach and the snow is melting here. Have a wonderful day, and as always, let's do some math.